Hearts Family Crafts. Oh my!
What's up, guys?
Today we're gonna be making store cards.
Yeah.
Why? Why are we gonna be making store cards? What's
Cause
coming up?
Father's Day. Yeah, cause Father's Day is coming.
That's right.
And
Father's
when
Day's
it's Father's
coming up.
Day, you have to make it. So you can give it to him early.
So we're gonna make a tool card. So it's a saw.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. And share the YouTube channel. And share with your friends.
Yep, that's right. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and share. Please share with your friends.
The YouTube channel.
Yep, and the YouTube channel. All right. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need 2 pieces of construction paper.
I got red and black.
Well, I got red and black. What color you got? That's not red.
Blue and black.
What color you got?
Red and black.
That's not red and black. What color is that?
Purple and black.
All right, she got purple and black. So we're gonna need 2 of these. You're gonna need.
Pranking you guys.
I know you always pranking me. You always prank me, right? What happens when I come to the door? You guys hi, and you come out. You go. Ah!
One time, when you were sleeping, I came in the bed that I put the marshmallows in, and then I ran back into the bed.
Oh God. Yeah, you did scare me. You got me. You got me good. All right. So you're also gonna need scissors. You're gonna need glue.
And
markers or anything to color with.
And pencils.
All right. So
Color
let's
pencils.
get to it. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take this paper
This paper.
and that paper, and you're gonna take it. You're gonna fold it this
These
way.
are the Father's Day paper.
You're gonna fold it this way. Look. You're gonna fold it. Okay.
And we did some of the parts. So we did the folding and we drew the shark teeth or the dinosaur.
So then you're gonna take this paper and you're gonna fold it this way, like this. Fold it that way. There you go. All right. So then what you're gonna do is, I already did it already on everybody's papers. You're gonna take your pencil and you're gonna draw shark teeth.
And guys, you can pause the video.
So you take your pencil and you're gonna draw shark teeth like this.
Or dinosaur teeth or T-Rex teeth.
So she's gonna trace my shark teeth over there.
I might actually.
But in the meantime, what we're gonna do is after you draw your shark teeth across like that, this is how the shark teeth is gonna look. It's gonna look like this, like the teeth of the saw. You're gonna start cutting it. All right, guys. So now we got this cut, right? So now we're gonna get to the third step, right? So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this paper, you're gonna turn it this way. So turn it this way. Nope, like this.
Oh, like a card.
Yep, like a card, right?
My name is.
All right. So now you're gonna open it up. You're gonna open it up like a book. You're hiding like a robot. All right, so now when you guys get this paper, it should look like this. Now it should look like shark teeth on both sides. Right?
If you need help, you can ask your mom, because you don't want your dad to know.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, ask your mom, don't ask your dad, because this is a card. All right, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your glue. So here's your glue. Here's your glue. And here's your glue. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna glue this like this. Like that. You're gonna go in a circular motion, just like this.
Oh.
All right. You're gonna do the same thing like this.
Voila.
You could do it. You could do it on both sides like this. All right, guys, after you glue it, you're gonna take this paper, right? You're gonna take your paper and you're gonna put it right over it, just like this, about halfway.
Just like this way?
Yep, about halfway in. There you go. Hold on. Let's move it in more. Good. We're gonna take it. We're gonna go a little further in like this. Yeah. All right. Now after we do that, you're gonna close the book, right? So this is your book. You're gonna close it just like that, and you're gonna go like this. Yep, just like that. All right. So now do this, Ava. Look, spread the glue like this.
That's cool.
Yep, that's fine if there's glue there. It'll dry. All right. So after you do that, you're gonna turn the paper back this way.
It's a muffin.
It's a muffin.
I mean, it's a muffin.
You're gonna fold your paper again like this.
And spit.
I need a little bit more.
There you go.
Can you put some?
Hold on. We're gonna fix his. Oh, that's
Yeah, guys, you can do that with glue too.
All right. So since it's that one's good. All right. So now you're gonna fold that.
I kind of did this part already. Daddy, I kind of did this part. I folded it and then I just put it back.
I think it's bye.
All right. So your card should look like this, and then when you open it, it should look like that, right? Open your card. Let me see.
It should
Just
look
like that.
that.
I'm gonna cut
It doesn't look like
my hands.
Yep. It's gonna look like that. All right. So inside the card, right? We're gonna write this, and I'm gonna write it in this in pencil. You're gonna write best. So that's B-E-S-T, Dad, D-A-D. Then you're gonna open it up, and you're gonna put I, letter I, and you're gonna put ever, E-V-E-R, and you're gonna put soar, S-A-W. So it's gonna say, when you open it up, it's gonna say, best dad I ever saw. Get it? Best dad I ever saw.
Get it? Best day.
All right, so I'm gonna write it in theirs. All right, guys. So now that we did that, the reason why mine's in marker is so you can see it. But we did it in pencil because eventually, when we get ready to design it, you could go right over the words. All right. So now what you're gonna have to do is turn it this way, and you're gonna fold it like this.
Like this?
Yep. Perfect. Nope. One time. Hold on. You're gonna fold it like that. All right. And now you get a grown-up. Yeah. Now you're gonna get a grown-up to cut it like an oval shape, like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, but an oval shape, like this, because it's a little thick to cut. Yeah, that's yours. I'm gonna cut this one like this. All right, so that's how it should look. It should be a hole in it. Okay, so now we got this hole. So it goes like this. I can see you. I see you.
I see you. I see you.
Hold up, we do this. Look, they're like eyes now. I see you. I see you.
Oh.
Wait.
You want to try it? Look. Ooh, what do you look like? Look, let's turn it this way.
I can do
It bends to move.
And this is like a shield, right? Like a face shield.
And when I do that, I'm not just so muffin.
All right, so now that we have this, we have it designed. This is how it should look. It should say best dad I ever saw.
Look.
Oh, I can put your. Oh, my arm's too big. It can't fit. It can't fit. All right, so now.
My arms is so big. It can't fit too.
All right, so now that we have this, now we can design it. So now We can color it any way we want. Bless you. All right, you ready? Let's color. Pick your color. Alright guys, so now that we have this is what I drew. So this is my picture here.
And this is my picture.
You wanna show me
I have a beard.
You have a beard?
It's right here.
Alright, so that's what it is. Look, you do it, you design it the way you want. You make sure you put best dad I ever saw. Hopefully he gets the joke. And that's about it, right?
Inside. I should have.
Alright, so make sure you like and you subscribe to our channel, and please, again, please share with your family and friends.
Yeah, share with the
Daddy,
baby
look,
too.
I made you have a long beard.
I got a long beard.
And
I
share.
know, I'm trying to grow it. He has a beard too? A lot of people have beards. Alright, so, again, you want to touch my beard? Oh God.
Whoa.
Yeah, look, pull on it. Yeah, nice and soft, right?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so, we are out of here.
Bye.
Again, we would like to thank everybody for supporting our channel.
Bye.
And that's about it. Hopefully your dad liked it. Alright. We alright. You ready to dab? Let's dab. 1, 2, 3. We are out.
Bye.
One.